Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today I have a jewelry making fun collab video for you, and I'm going to make a pair of earrings. So if you're interested to see what I'm about to make, keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to make some earrings, gold earrings. And I'll tell you what our challenge was this time. It was to use the colors of seafoam green and some tan, and the second part is to use, let's see, the last part is to incorporate mother of pearl or shell. So I've got the seafoam green and tan and the Amazonite earrings, in the color of Amazonite gemstones. So to me, that's a pretty rich light colored seafoam green, and very, very light green color. So immediately when I saw the challenge, I thought, okay, Amazonite. And Amazonite also has tones of like tan. So I thought, wow, that's a good bead maybe to use with this challenge. And then I have some pearl earrings. I'm going to try to get on those hoops as well. Pearl beads. I'm going to try to get on those hoops as well. So let's see how these turned out. I've never made these gemstones and pearls together. So I've got that hoop earring. It's gold toned. It came from, let's see, Hobby Lobby. And let's start adding our chips first, gemstone chips. And then I think I'm gonna alternate, see how that turns out. Alternate the gemstone chips with the pearls. Hope everyone's doing great. See what I can come up with today. Alright, pearl. Gemstone chip. And pearl. I've got my little beading mat. Thought maybe that would be easy to help me bead with today. Keep the beads in place. The hole in these is pretty small. There we go. Okay, another chip bead. And of course, the gemstone chips are different colors, so it's not all symmetrical, I guess is the word to use. It's different shapes and sizes, and I think that's fine. I think it makes it cuter. Okay, I think one more time, because I don't want the beads to go all the way up. I wanted some of the gold to show. Hard to find these holes, sorry. Let's try a different chip there, different chip bead. Alright, so that's what I have so far, the little beads at the bottom. And then you close this up at the top. the end. If you'd like, you can secure it maybe with glue so it doesn't come out, you know. Okay, and I'm gonna add my ear wire. And then there's my first one. So let's see what I can do with my second one. Okay, I'm sitting here humming, sorry. Pearl. Here's one of the tan colors of chips, gemstone chips. At one point, I was heavily into these gemstone chips, and I still like them, to use them and think they're pretty. I've got more into the seed beads recently. Love my little seed beads, and sometimes it takes forever to use those, but they turn out. I like them. I think they turn out pretty. I think I'm gonna use a different shape for that last bead. That didn't look right. Oh, and I went to Joann's again yesterday, and they had a bigger sale. They had 60% off. I did not do lots of, I didn't purchase a lot because I'm trying to use up a lot of the beads I've already got. So I didn't do a big haul. I think I picked up a few other seed bead colors. But I wanted to let you know Joann's is on sale again. They have 60% off. And if I had been in the mood to shop, I would have been upset because when I went the other day, they were not having that 60% off sale. So when I saw the 60% off last night, I was like, that's good, that's great. And then I thought, but you don't need anything. So so I just picked up a few more seed beads in, and I tried to be good yesterday. Just thought I'd tell you about the sale though, in case you didn't know. All right, so this is my jewelry making fun collab. What I came up with, my earrings, gold with Amazonite, seafoam green, traces of tan, and pearl. All right, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me, my jewels at the Jewelry Spot. Hope you have a great week as well, and thank you for watching. Till I see you again. Bye-bye.